Pakora gravy recipe, Pakora Thongba. Process in a mixing bowl, add the ground flour, turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, and a pinch of salt. You must pay some attention while adding water to the flour mixture. This should not be too thick or too thin. Make a smooth paste. Finely chop Chinese chives and place 50 grams, approximately, in the ground flour bowl. Keep the remaining chives in a separate container for later use. Process 2 colon for the curry. You will need to make a stock from soaked dry white peas pulse. In a cooker, add half cup ground tomatoes, and 2 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Cook till they become very soft. Turn the heat off. With a spatula, smash them a little and drain them through a strainer. You will only need the peas stock, which will serve as the curry's foundation. In a frying pan, heat the oil to a temperature suitable for shallow frying and keep it on a medium burner. In a rounded shape, drop the pakora paste into the pan. When one side of the pakora firms up, looks cooked, and is light golden, turn over gently and fry the other side. Process 3. The next step is to take a pan, put 2 tablespoons on long medium-high heat and add bay leaves, asafoetida, remaining cumin, and fenugreek. Add Chinese chives and onions. Continue frying. Now add ginger and garlic. Add the chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper, and salt. At this point, the base gravy should be added. Once it's boiled, add the pakoras and slow down the heat and let it simmer till the pakora becomes soft. Ready to serve. Pakora Thongba, or fried gram flour curry, is a popular Manipuri food. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.